sing a remix that I did to Baby for the Iconic Boys. Now, this video is not to be judged on singing because I did not say I was the best singer in the world. So, I hope you guys like it. Just wait 1 second. I had to move my golf clubs out of the way. Okay. So, hope you guys like it. As you can see, Iconic Boys wall. And here it goes. Here goes nothing. Oh, 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 I guess you noticed. Give them a chance. Watch ABDC and Iconic Boys dance. You say they're children, huh? You say they're young, but let me tell you they're 11 and above. Were they on TV? Yes, they were, dancing their hearts out for all the girls. If you look them up, you'll see them on YouTube. And I was like, Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Listen, what I'm saying is true, true. Oh, for fans, they would have done whatever. They may be young, but their dance moves are clever. They wanna play cool, but if I met the crew, I would probably tape it and put it on TV and maybe YouTube. For all of you, you gotta shake me till you wake me from this bad dream. I'm going down, 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 down. And I just can't believe Iconic Boys don't have the crown. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Listen, what I'm saying is true, true. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Listen, what I'm saying is true, true. Alex, when I saw ABDC, I found my favorite crew. They were dancing really good and I heard screaming from all of you. They got me going crazy, especially that Mikey dude. When he lifted up his shirt, I was blown away, just like a lot of you. Everybody saying, live iconic, breathe iconic, be iconic, what? But they didn't win. I and me did. So all the iconiacs just sing, Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Iconic Boys are the best dance crew. Listen, what I'm saying is true, true. Yeah, 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 yeah. Are they all gone, gone, gone? You can find them on Facebook and Twitter. If you guys would like me to do a remix to a different song for a group you like, inbox me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, which is at wannabelikeYou. And you can add me on Facebook at Alexandria Byers. And tell me what you think about my videos.